In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices with Stripe. This guide is designed to help you efficiently navigate Stripe's billing functionalities, whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform. First things first, we need to head over to Stripe. Open your browser and type in the Stripe URL to access the login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials to log in. If you haven't set up a Stripe account yet, you'll need to sign up and follow the setup instructions before following along with us today. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which gives you a real-time overview of your financial activities. Now let's move on to accessing the billing section. Locate and click on the Billings tab from the navigation menu. This is where you'll manage all your billing-related tasks, including creating invoices, setting up subscriptions, and viewing transaction histories. Once in the billing section, you'll want to click on Invoices. This tab is specifically designed for managing your invoices. Here you'll find options to view existing invoices, create new ones, and monitor their status once sent to your clients. To create a new invoice, you'll need to click on the New Invoice button. This action will prompt you to input the necessary invoice details. This includes information like the client's name, email address, and a description of the services or products you're billing them for. It's important to fill out these fields as accurately and detailed as possible, as it helps ensure clarity when the client receives the invoice. Once you've entered all the pertinent information, navigate to the Payment Collection section of the invoice form. Here, you'll see an option labeled Request Payment. Clicking on this option will present you with a few selections related to managing payment methods. To manually charge a customer, you need to select the option to manage payment methods. You'll then enter the client's payment information directly. Stripe allows flexibility here, letting you choose how you want to collect payment, whether by credit card, ACH, or other available methods, depending on your client's preferences and your account setup. After filling out the payment details and saving them, you are almost done. Review the invoice for any errors or missing information, and once everything looks good to go, hit Send. Stripe will handle the rest, ensuring the invoice is delivered to your client's inbox for payment processing. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed an invoice through Stripe. With this streamlined process, managing your financial transactions becomes more efficient, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and maintaining excellent client relations. Don't forget to routinely check your Stripe dashboard for updates on invoice statuses and payment collections to keep your cash flow organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide to be a helpful resource in managing your billing processes with Stripe.